Hello everybody and welcome back to my video. My name is Olawoni Emmanuel Kayode and I've written this code as part of my internship in CodeSoft. This is Rock Paper Scissors app written with the Tkinter GUI, and in this video I'll be running it. I need to close this password generator and change my directory into this. And run the code. Now this rock paper scissors GUI game allows the user to pick and the computer to play. So whoever wins, I have their scores here. So as a user, I'll click rock, user choose rock, computer choose paper. So computer wins, and with this, computer is still winning. Computer is winning. Well, this comes with the random library, and the computer chooses at random, and I also choose at random. And if I was able to get the proper answer, then I have my win, and the computer will lose the game. So this is how this rock paper scissors game works, and I've written these codes with Python using Tkinter and a random library to work on this project. Thank you.